Hey, this is Lindsay from Fit and Fabulous, and today I'm gonna show you how to make my super quick, high protein waffles. So they are so quick, so easy to make, so delicious, because you know what? I am all about making things like super easy and super quick. You know, I don't like to spend hours in the kitchen, so the easier, the better, basically. So I just got back from the gym. I'm starving. I just had a quick shower. Of course, I didn't wash my hair, as you can tell, but whatever. I have all this stuff here ready to show you guys. So I got my recipe here. You guys are gonna laugh when you see this. It's like totally like chicken scratch on here. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what ingredients you need first off. You are gonna need some oatmeal. So I just have some plain oatmeal here, some egg whites. So I got egg whites, baking powder, some LadyBoss Lean for a little bit extra protein, a little bit of vanilla, and some cornstarch. When I first started making these waffles, they turned out really, really flat. So, you know, I had to go on Google and figure out like how to make them a little bit fluffier. So I discovered that if you use a little bit of cornstarch, as well as if you take your egg whites and actually blend them first, it makes them that much fluffier. So what we need is we need a blender cup. So we got the blender cup here. I moved all this stuff over. We need a cup. So we need 1 cup of egg whites. I don't know why, I always blow in things. I'm always paranoid there's dirt or something in it. This is a 1/2 cup. Another 1/2 cup. So that makes 1 full cup. So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna blend the egg whites first. Put this on here. We're gonna blend it. For like 5-10 seconds. See if they're nice and frothy. Now we need to add 3/4 of a cup of oats. So I got a 1/2 cup here, so I'm just gonna use 1 1/2 of these. We got 1 1/2. So that's 3/4 of a cup of oats. Next we need is a little bit of cornstarch. So we need 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So 1, 2. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend this as well. Because the egg whites are so frothy, it makes it look like it's all not gonna fit in the cup. So that's why I like to blend it. Next we need a little bit of baking powder. So we're gonna just need a tiny, tiny bit. So about 1/8 of a teaspoon. This much. Just a little bit. Need 1 scoop of the LadyBoss Lean. 1 scoop. And just a splash of vanilla. This is actually like pure vanilla from Mexico. We had like a friend of the family drop it off. So just a little bit. I love vanilla. I'm gonna put the lid back on, shake it up a little bit. So in the meantime, while this is blending, I have my waffle maker here. I'm actually gonna plug it in. I don't know if you can see, but so there's a red light on it, and when it turns green, you know it's hot. So it's nice and thick. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty thick. What's really weird is it smells so good. It literally smells like vanilla. I know it's weird. There's egg whites in it, but these egg whites are pasteurized, so I'm pretty sure you can eat them. I've like licked the top before and I haven't gotten sick, so. Okay, so we have to wait for the waffle maker to, I don't know if you guys can see that. It has to turn green, because then you know it's hot. Okay, so the green light just came on. Can you guys see that? We're gonna open it. I like to use Pam. This is like coconut oil spray. I think this cost me like $3 or something. This is the lifesaver in the kitchen, for sure. I'm gonna spray it. I like to spray a lot on there. What you wanna do is I like to take a spoon just to make sure, you know, it's stirred up really good, it's super thick. And so we're gonna pour some on. Now it is gonna expand a little bit, so you don't wanna pour too much on. So we close the lid, and again, these lights on the top, it's green right now, but it's gonna go off, and see, it just went off now. And so basically now it's just red, and then we have to wait for it to turn green again. I always get a little bit paranoid, it's gonna explode. Okay, green lights is on. Let's open this up. Look at how beautiful those look. They look delicious and crispy. So I just take a fork, just fill them off. So this is our first 2 waffles. Look how delicious those are. So in the meantime, I'm gonna spray the pan again. More Pam. I'm gonna add some more. Close it up. Wait till it turns green again. So we have our waffles. So this recipe that I just gave you makes about 6 of these protein waffles. And so for all 6, basically what it gives you is 53 grams of protein, which is crazy, in 6 of these waffles, 65 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of fat. Again, these waffles are amazing for after your workout. So this is how I like to decorate them. So I like to put a little bit of this like strawberry syrup on. That. Strawberry syrup, so good. And then to make it even more fancy, I'm gonna add a few strawberries. Does that not look delicious? Honestly, so good. Perfect for after workout. I'm starving. I'm totally gonna eat this whole plate right now. So I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys try this recipe because it's so good. It's so delicious. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I will talk to you later. Love you. Bye.